The compiler that we have chosen for our task 1 is AMD x86 Open64. As we all know, Open64 is a free open source optimizing compiler for the Itanium and x86 64 microprocessor architectures. The compiler was designed by AMD Advanced Micro Devices. The first version 4.2.2 was released on 24th April 2009 and the latest update was released on 28th March 2013. The compiler was designed for high-performance parallel computing workloads. Open64 is an integrated distribution of compilers for three major programming languages: C, C++, and Fortran. Open64 has been retargeted to a number of x86 architectures. The language-independent component of Open64 includes the majority of the optimizers as well as the code generators that generate machine code for various processors. Historically, compilers for many languages including C++ and Fortran have been implemented as preprocessors which emit another high-level language such as C. None of the compilers included in Open64 are implemented this way. This is an important thing to note. They all generate machine code directly. This sort of preprocessor should not be confused with the C preprocessor, which is an integral feature of the C, C++, and Fortran languages. The major components of the compiler's architecture are the front end for the C, C++, and Fortran, the interprocedural analysis. Using separate compilation has the drawback of providing the compiler with complete program information, while the program accuses external data or call external functions. The compiler has to make worst case assumptions. Unknown information, for instance, on external function calls or on external data accesses may reduce the effectiveness of compiler optimization. Open64 supports whole program optimization using interprocedural analysis (IPA). Whole program optimizations enable additional optimizations. The following section describes IPA: compilation model, analysis and optimizations, improvements to backend optimization, and related facts. The next thing that comes into phase is loop nest optimizer (LNO). Using the loop nest optimization group of flags on programs containing many nests of loops, this group defines transformations and options available to loop nests. LNO can provide a 10 to 20 times performance advantage over other compilers. With the LNO group of flags, you can control loop fusion and fission, blocking to optimize cache line reuse, cache management, translation loop aside buffer optimizations. The next part is global optimization, WOPT, which can be used for traditional optimizations or SSA. The code generator, this group controls some part of instruction level code generation that can benefit code tuning. Here we see the different stages of how a program goes through the different stages of the compiler. Front end, very high optimization, interprocedural analysis and optimization, loop nest optimization and parallelization, global scale optimization, and back-end code generation. The next is what sort of representations are used in the phases. As we can see that in this diagram, this goes from very high world to high world to mid world to low world to very low world. In different phases, there are lower aggregates, nest calls, lower commas. In the high world phase, lower arrays, lower complex numbers, lower level high flow, and so on. The advantages of using an AMD compiler are a high performance production quality code generation tool designed for high performance parallel computing workloads. It offers a high level of advanced optimizations, multi-threading, and process support that includes global optimization, vectorization, interprocedural analysis, feedback directed optimization, loop transformations, and code generation, which extracts the optimal performance from each x86 processor core. It has extended proactive loop optimization for improved loop fusion, if merging, loop unswitching, loop interchange, and if condition pre-computation. It has added new peephole optimizations including improved sign extension codes, register, usage, etc. It has improvements to dispatch schedule in terms of alignment, padding, instruction size, etc. It has improved performance of certain class of intrinsics such as MMSet through better handling of constructors and constants. The limitations of using AMD compiler are CC plus Fortran was adapted from GCC 2.96, which is a troublesome official GCC compiler, introducing many compatibility problems. It can only generate binary code for Itanium platform. Finally, what is the target hardware for which the compiler was supposed to work? The x86 Open64 compiler suite simplifies and accelerates development and tuning for x86, AMD 64, and Intel 64 applications. The x86 Open64 compilers create a strong foundation for building robust, high-performance parallel code through MPI, OpenMPR, and auto-parallelization along with highly optimized libraries. These are our group members. Thank you.